DIY home decor is gaining popularity. More and more people are discovering the joy of creating unique pieces for their homes. It's a wonderful way to personalize your space and let your creativity shine. DIY doesn't have to be daunting. With a little imagination and effort, you can transform your house into a stylish and inviting home. Imagine walking into a friend's house and being greeted by a stunning piece of artwork. You ask where they got it, and they proudly declare, "I made it myself." That's the beauty of DIY. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete novice, there's a world of creative possibilities waiting to be explored. Your home should be a reflection of you, a sanctuary where you can relax and be yourself. DIY home decor allows you to inject your personality into every nook and cranny. Think about the things you love, your hobbies, your travels, your favorite colors. Perhaps you could create a gallery wall showcasing your travel photographs, or paint an old chest of drawers in your favorite vibrant hue. DIY allows you to turn your house into a home, a space that genuinely reflects who you are. One of the most rewarding aspects of DIY home decor is the opportunity to unleash your creativity. You don't need to be a professional artist or designer to create beautiful and functional pieces for your home. There are countless online resources, from blogs and videos to social media groups, offering inspiration and guidance for DIY projects of all skill levels. Sometimes your projects won't turn out exactly as planned, but that's okay. Embrace the imperfections, learn from your mistakes, and remember that the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the creative process. So gather your materials, unleash your inner artist, and embark on a journey of transforming your house into a personalized haven of style and creativity. One of the most appealing aspects of DIY home decor is its affordability. Traditional home renovations can put a serious dent in your wallet, but DIY allows you to refresh your living spaces without breaking the bank. Think about repurposing old jars as stylish storage containers or giving a fresh coat of paint to outdated furniture. Instead of buying expensive artwork, why not create your own? A blank canvas, some acrylic paints, and your imagination are all you need to add a personal touch to your walls. It's about making conscious choices that are both beautiful and budget-friendly. DIY home decor is more than just crafting. It's an art form, a way to express your unique personality and style. Your home should be a reflection of who you are. Think of your home as a blank canvas. Do you gravitate towards vibrant hues and bold patterns? Express yourself through colorful throw pillows, hand-painted planters, and eye-catching wall art. The beauty of DIY is that it empowers you to create a space that feels authentically you. In a world of mass production, DIY home decor offers the unique pleasure of customization. You're not limited by the predetermined styles and sizes offered in stores. Do you have an awkwardly shaped corner that's been begging for a bookshelf? DIY allows you to build a custom unit that fits perfectly. Are you dreaming of a headboard that complements your bedroom's color scheme? You can design and craft one to your exact specifications. DIY empowers you to transform your vision into reality, creating pieces that are as unique as you are. The living room is often the heart of a home, a space for relaxation, entertainment, and quality time with loved ones. It's the perfect place to infuse your personality and style through DIY decor projects. Imagine cozying up on the sofa with a warm cup of tea, surrounded by beautiful handcrafted pieces that reflect your unique taste. From eye-catching wall art to revitalized furniture, the possibilities are endless. DIY wall decor can instantly transform the ambience of your space. Section 2. Wall art, making your mark. Blank walls are full of potential, just waiting for your creative touch. DIY wall art allows you to personalize your living room and create a focal point that truly reflects your style. For a touch of bohemian charm, consider crafting a macrame wall hanging. The repetitive knotting technique is surprisingly relaxing, and the end result is a beautiful textured piece that adds warmth and character to your wall. Using painter's tape, you can create a variety of geometric patterns on a canvas. Section 3. Furniture revival, breathing new life into old pieces. Don't underestimate the transformative power of a little furniture revival. Instead of replacing outdated or worn-out pieces, give them a new lease on life with some DIY magic. One of the easiest ways to update a tired piece of furniture is with a fresh coat of paint. A bold, unexpected color can instantly revitalize a drab side table or bookshelf. If you're feeling adventurous, consider reupholstering an old armchair or ottoman. Section 4. Pillows of style, adding comfort and personality. Pillows are the ultimate accessory for adding comfort, color, and personality to your living room. Creating your own throw pillows is a fun and rewarding way to personalize your sofa or armchair. Choose fabrics that complement your living room's color palette and reflect your style. For a touch of bohemian flair, consider using vintage fabrics or embroidered textiles to make your pillow covers. Culinary delights, DIY in the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, a place where culinary creativity meets cozy gatherings. DIY decor projects in the kitchen can be both practical and stylish, adding a touch of your personality to this essential gathering spot. Imagine friends and family gathered around your kitchen island, admiring your handcrafted spice rack, or the unique backsplash you painstakingly tiled yourself. Let's explore some creative projects that will make your kitchen both functional and fabulous. Spice up your life, DIY spice rack. Tired of rummaging through cluttered cabinets for the right spices? A DIY spice rack is a practical and stylish solution. For a rustic farmhouse feel, consider using reclaimed wood and mason jars to create your spice rack. Simply cut the wood to size, attach the mason jars with hose clamps, and mount it on your kitchen wall. If you prefer a more modern aesthetic, a floating shelf spice rack is a sleek and minimalist option. Backsplash. Brilliance of personal touch. The backsplash is often an overlooked opportunity to add personality and style to your kitchen. One popular option is to use peel and stick tiles to create a custom backsplash. These tiles come in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and textures, allowing you to create a look that complements your kitchen's aesthetic. If you're feeling adventurous, you can create a one-of-a-kind backsplash using mosaic tiles, broken china, or even pennies. Section 4. Center stage, DIY table centerpieces. The dining table is often the heart of family meals and social gatherings. A well-chosen centerpiece can elevate the ambience of your dining space, adding a touch of elegance, whimsy, or seasonal charm. For a touch of natural beauty, consider creating a centerpiece using fresh flowers or greenery. Arrange them in a simple vase or create a more elaborate arrangement using floral foam and a variety of vases and containers. If you prefer something a bit more enduring, consider crafting a centerpiece using candles, stones, or decorative objects. Section 1. Bedroom bliss, DIY for a tranquil haven. The bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place of tranquility and rest. DIY decor projects offer a wonderful opportunity to infuse our bedrooms with a sense of calm, comfort, and individuality. Imagine sinking into a bed adorned with a custom-made headboard, its soft textures and calming colors inviting you to unwind. From statement-making headboards to practical storage solutions, let's explore some inspiring DIY projects to create a bedroom that truly feels like a haven. Section 2. Headboard harmony, crafting a statement piece. The headboard often serves as the focal point of the bedroom, setting the tone for the entire space. For a touch of bohemian elegance, consider crafting a macrame headboard. The intricate knots and flowing patterns of macrame create a sense of tranquility and visual interest. If you prefer a more modern and minimalist look, an upholstered headboard is a fantastic option. Section 3. Illuminating ideas. DIY bedside lamps. Bedside lamps not only provide essential lighting for reading, but also contribute to the overall ambiance of the bedroom. Instead of settling for generic store-bought lamps, why not create your own unique and stylish bedside lighting with a touch of DIY magic? A vintage vase, a stack of antique books, or even a collection of seashells can be transformed into eye-catching lamp bases with a little ingenuity. Section 4. Organization Oasis DIY Storage Solutions. A well-organized bedroom promotes calm and tranquility, but storage solutions can be expensive and hard to find. DIY projects offer a practical way to create an organized bedroom. One effective solution is creating fabric storage bins. These bins are perfect for storing blankets, clothing, or books. Choose fabrics to match your decor, from prints to solids. Cut fabric, sew sides, and insert a cardboard base for stability. Outdoor Oasis. Extending DIY to your exteriors. Our living spaces extend beyond our homes. Balconies, patios, and gardens offer a breath of fresh air. DIY projects can turn these spaces into inviting retreats. Imagine sipping coffee surrounded by lush plants. Infuse your outdoor areas with personality and creativity. Greenery in style DIY plant holders. Plants breathe life into any space, adding personality and charm to your outdoor areas. From rustic wooden crates to chic macrame hangers, there's a project for every style. Craft geometric plant hangers from copper pipes and leather cord for a modern look. Section 3. Garden Glamour Crafting Outdoor Decor. DIY decor projects aren't limited to plant holders. You can infuse your outdoor space with personality and charm by creating unique decorations that reflect your style and love for nature. One easy and enchanting project is to create a string of solar-powered fairy lights. Simply insert the lights into mason jars, decorate the jars with paint, twine, or other embellishments, and hang them around your patio or garden to create a magical ambiance. For a touch of whimsy, consider crafting decorative garden stakes from old silverware. Bend spoons and forks into whimsical shapes, such as butterflies, dragonflies, or flowers, and insert them into your garden beds to add a touch of personality and sparkle. Reimagine and relax with upcycled outdoor furniture. Give old furniture a new lease on life by transforming it into stylish and functional outdoor seating. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a relaxing outdoor oasis without breaking the bank. One classic DIY project is to upcycle wooden pallets into comfortable outdoor sofas or benches. Simply sand down the pallets, attach them together to create the desired shape, and add cushions and throw pillows for comfort. If you're looking for a quicker project, consider giving old metal chairs a fresh coat of paint and adding new cushions. A bold pop of color can instantly transform tired outdoor furniture into eye-catching statement pieces. As we've journeyed through DIY home decor, from revitalizing furniture to crafting bespoke centerpieces, there's unparalleled joy in transforming your spaces with your own hands. The beauty of DIY lies in the stunning visual transformation and the deeper sense of accomplishment it ignites. Each hand-painted vase, each meticulously crafted wall hanging, becomes a testament to our creativity and unique perspective. These elements infuse our homes with warmth and character. DIY home decor is not about achieving flawless perfection. It's about embracing imperfections and finding joy in the creative journey. The true magic lies in making, experimenting, and creating something unique. Try new techniques, experiment, and let your intuition guide you. Stunning projects often come from happy accidents and detours. Embrace the learning curve, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the process. Begin your DIY adventure. View your home as a blank canvas, brimming with potential for personalization and handmade charm. Gather your tools and unleash your inner artist. There's a DIY project waiting to ignite your passion. Transform your living room with hand-sewn cushions and revitalized furniture. Have fun creating a space that reflects your unique style. Your home, your canvas, your masterpiece awaits.